What's up, guys? This is Shields again from Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and this afternoon I'm over here in Davison County, North Carolina, and we're going to be walking through this absolutely stunning Heartland 2 XL with the unfinished second level up top. So I'm going to call this a Heartland 2 XL cape. Okay, all that cape word is telling you is that there's that unfinished second level, and you can add that to any plan. All right, so all of this stuff is optional. So you can go no dormers, double dormers, triple dormers, shed style dormers, gable style dormers. That is all something we'll talk about in design. And this front porch is 100% optional as well. So what you're seeing here is a 4x6 covered stoop with a beautiful vaulted ceiling up there with some wood, with the wood ceiling finish. That is lovely. So I love that. And then you are seeing the vertical siding today. So you got that beautiful light gray color, and this customer optioned in to run it vertically, which is always going to cost you a little bit more than horizontally. And I did want to point out the foundation. So this home, number one, is sitting on the full foundation, and this customer paid to have that foundation wrapped in brick. So just a really sharp looking exterior here. Got the matching exterior lights. Only one would be included. And notice the side light on that front door. So that panel of glass there, you can do double side lights, whatever. So that's all stuff to think about. Notice the black gutters and downspouts. All right, so let's get in here and check it out. All right, so when you open the front door, you're greeted with this nice big open concept. You got the living room off the front here, and then your kitchen and dining off the back. All right, so I'm gonna spin around and explain a few things. Wow, I love this. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. You are seeing the flooring throughout in the Volt color, okay? All right, so this is the Heartland 2 XL. It is the Laundry Plus, just like our model. So it does start at 62 feet across. This customer did expand the plan to 64 to kind of make up some of the space they lost here in the living room. All right, so the front door is typically here on a one level, but we generally put the stairs on bedroom 3 wall, which is that wall there. So a lot of times with the Heartland Cape plans, we're going to flip the door over closer to that staircase. I have a video where the customer elected not to do that. So that's just something that we'll have to kind of work through. But again, any of the Heartland plans can have the upstairs. Whether or not you put the door there or here, you know, that's kind of irrelevant at that point. We'll talk about all that. And then on to the kitchen. So a few things I wanted to point out. Number one, this is a very different color combination, but I love it. So you've got your natural cabinets on the perimeter, got your optional blue island. That is going to cost you a little bit more than one of the 3 standard colors, which does include the natural color there. Now, I just love what the countertops do tying in these cabinets. So you've got kind of that tan running throughout it, which tie in those natural cabinets. And then the blue is just kind of a nice break on things. Notice the pools. Any island's gonna have a double pot and pan drawer. Another one down there. They stayed with the brushed nickel trim package, so faucets, shower heads, knobs, hinges, hardware on the cabinets. One of the optional range hoods. You can do that in different colors to kind of match up your cabinet. So you can do it in white and black, a lot of different options there. On to the walk-in pantry. First thing you're gonna notice is this customer elected to not have any shelves. They're gonna do their own shelving, and they added 2 outlets. This room is crazy big once you take out all that shelving. It kind of is shocking. So again, they took our Laundry Plus 2XL model, added the upstairs, put the door there. All right, on to the dining. So this is the first time I've ever seen a setup like this. So you see a lot of double doors. You know that a double window is included there standard. What this customer did is they split those windows. So 2 single windows, and they just put a single glass door in between them. So I mean, basically a whole wall of glass. I love it. So if you're not looking for a double door, the single doors are more affordable. So, you know, going back to the cost thing. And then under the staircase is your water heater. Now that is typically located, if you've been watching a lot of my videos, that is typically located through the pantry there. So they actually moved it in here, which freed up space in the master closet. Although you access it from there, it's actually using square footage from the master closet. So I'll show you that when we get over there. But anyway, on to bath 2 on my right. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. I'm going to show you this closet since I didn't show you the last. You've been seeing some people add a secondary door to closets like this. It's a good idea. All right, and then at the end of that hallway, you've got your side loading utility room. So that is going to be your exterior door coming from outside. And you're going to open the door to this. Again, this space is staggering big once you take everything out. But as you can see, they're going to do their own setup in here. They do have it ready for some type of sink here. But I mean, check that out. I mean, so much space. The countertop color in there, I think it's pronounced Portoro, P-O-R-T-O-R-O, Portoro, if you were curious about that. And then on to the master suite. Oh, check that out. So most Heartland plans, the closet's going to be accessed from there. You will see in here, they kind of changed things up and is now accessed from the bathroom. They went with the 4x6 optional shower for their bathroom layout. What that's going to do obviously includes the bigger shower. We work in a linen cabinet. All these pull-out drawers here, just tons of space. They did add the transom window. That is always going to be extra. They did not add like the flip down seat. You can do this shower in 2 styles with the glass doors or like the half glass with the step in, no doors. It does include the rain head and the handheld. Some of my videos have been featuring the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Here it does not. And they did not option in to do the true water closet. So if you've seen a video where I've talked about that and it shows you the true toilet room with the door here, here it is without. Got a nice window up there. And then here is that closet. Again, they're going to do their own shelving, but man, it just feels really big. All right, so this, I forgot to mention the square footage. So we're right at 2,000 square feet on this bottom level. Our model there in Burlington is at 1962, but again, we stretched this plan 2 feet to accommodate the stairs going up to the unfinished second level. Here you go. That dormer on the up here letting in all that light. We typically do include windows on the gable ends, so the sides of the home. But the dormers are optional. Okay. So if you're interested or you know anybody interested, I'm gonna drop down my email right here, shields@NC Custom Modulars. That's Shields at NC Custom Modulars with an S.com. I appreciate all the views and subscriptions. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Come see us at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina. I have the first office straight ahead. Ask to speak with Shields if I am not sitting there waiting to greet you. We'll go from there. Thank you guys. Take care.